Welcome back friend, you are watching Dharas Infotech. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to use user-defined function for mathematical calculation in Python. So let's start with the code. So here I am defining a function like add. Instead of this function, I am providing some variable like a comma b, means these are our argument, and we must be use colon after defining a function add a comma b, and here we must give the colon. Then in return statement I am doing my calculation a plus b. Then then here I am using a variable sum 1 is equal add. In this parameter I am passing some value like a 5 plus 9, 5 comma 9. It will work as a addition. After that, passing this argument, the return function will be execute and some 1 will provide our final answer, that is 14. So let's see here answer is 14. Now inside of this function, if I'm suppose I'm using another one function, result is equal to, suppose here uh, we must define a separate function for the another arithmetical operations. So here I just simply copy this statement and paste here. After that pasting, and just rename the user defined function for our understanding purpose, so mul, and replace with asterisk. Now here in a result, another one variable result is equals to mul of what, suppose I am passing value 5 comma 7, that is 35. So let's check with the name of variable where the answer is stored. So check it, 5 sevens are 35. You can use any user defined function like this in Python